Welcome to another lecture of our automata playlist. This is the last lecture for our this module. Okay, from Mealy machine to Moore machine conversion we will learn today. So here I have a Mealy machine. How can we recognize this is a Mealy machine? So see here the outputs are written along with the inputs. So output is depending on the input. So this is the Mealy machine. Okay, so you can easily make the Mealy machine's transition table from the Mealy machine diagram. I guess because I have already taught you this much. So I have just made the transition table. Okay, so after making the transition table for the Mealy machine, there the main task comes. Here I have to first search. Okay, so forget the present state. Okay, forget the present state, only the next state matters now. So for next state there is, see, suppose there is a next state q1, and for all the next states there is another q1 here. So for both the q1s the output is same, 1 and 1. Okay, again for both the q4s the output is same, 1 and 1. So I can just copy these states because there is only single output for a single state. Okay, I can just copy those to our Moore machine. But for q2 and q3, see, there are two different outputs. For q2 there is one output 1 and one output 0. Again for q3 there is one output 0 and one output 1. So I just cannot copy those because there are two outputs for two different state for the same state. So I have to just split the states. So I will split the q2 as q2 0 and q2 1 for the outputs, and q3 as q3 0 q3 1 for the outputs. So see, I have already written that q1 and q4 has only one output, so they will remain similar, but q2 and q3 has two different outputs for similar state. So I will just break them. Okay, so I will just divide the states with different outputs. So how can we divide? So first see, the q1 remains constant, but q2 is divided into two different states according to the output 0 and output 1. For output 0 it will be q2 0, for output 1 it will be q2 1. Okay, similar to q3 0 and q3 1, and q4 is similar. So now see, this is the main part. Okay, how to make the transition table for the Moore machine from the transition table of the Mealy machine. So see, for first the q1 I will just copy the states. For q1 it will go to state q1 with output 1. So we do not need to write the output here, but see, for q1 it will go to q1, I know, but q1 is not divided here, so we do not need to check the output. But for q1, for input symbol b, it will go to q2, but we know there are two different states now, q2 not and q2 1. So which among those two states this q1 will go? So see, here we have to check the output. So when q1 goes to q2 for input symbol b, it gives us the output 0. So here we will go to state q2 0, because we know the q2 0 state is for what? For output symbol 0, and here also the output symbol is 0, so it will go to q2 0. And here this output is for the output of q1 state. So see, for q1 here is only one output, that is 1, so the output is 1. Again for q2 0 state we will see. So see, for q2 0 and q2 1 both will go to a similar state for same input symbols. So both will go to q4 for input symbol a, and for both input symbol b also. See, q2 and q2 goes to q4 for input symbol a and b both. So it will be q4 for input symbol a and b. But what will be the output? So outputs, we have already divided the states according to the outputs. For q2 0 output will be 0, and q2 1 output will be 1. Similar for q3 0 and q3 1, the output will be 0 and 1. Okay, for now let's see the states. So for see, from here q3, for q3 input symbol a, it goes to q2, but which q2? Where the output is 1, so it will be go to q2 1. So q3 will, for input symbol a, both q3, that is q3 0 and q3 1, for input symbol a will go to q2 1, that is the q2 with input symbol 1. Okay, q2 1. And the for input symbol b, it will go to q3 with input symbol 1, so it will remain in q3 1 for input symbol 1. Okay, both will go to q3 1. And output symbols I have already discussed, 0 and 1. And what about q4? So q4 goes to q3 for input symbol a. So which q3? For the q3 which generates output 0, so it will be going to q3 0 for input symbol a. And For input symbol B, it will go to Q1. Okay, so it will go to Q1 with input output 1. Output 1 for what? Because output I have already seen that for Q4 both the outputs are 1. So for Q4 output will be 1. Now from this transition table we will have to make a transition diagram. Okay, a state diagram. We'll have to make a state diagram. So don't just be afraid. I already told you how to make a state diagram from the transition table, so you should know. So first we will draw state Q1, and from Q1 for input symbol A it will remain in Q1, for input symbol B it will go to Q20. So and again the output for Q1 is 1. So for Q1 is our initial state and output for it is 1. So for input symbol A it will remain in Q1, and for input symbol B it will go to Q20. And what is the output of Q20? Obviously this 0 is for output, so output will be 0. Now see for Q20, for Q20 for input symbol A it will go to Q4 and B it will go to Q4 only. So for input symbol A and B it will go to Q4. And what is the output of Q4? See from here the output of Q4 is 1. So the output of Q4 is 1, so it will go to Q4 and with output 1 for both A and B. Now let's check for our next state, that is Q21. There is another state Q21, the third state. So Q21 for both input symbol A and B, again it goes to Q4, and here the output is 1. Okay, because the Q21 is this ones means the output, so output will be 1, and for both A and B it will go to again Q4. And now what is the next state? See, so the next state is Q30. So the Q30 will go, for A and B, for A it will go to Q21. So Q30 and Q31 both will go to Q21. So I have write here two states, Q30 and Q31, and both will go to Q21 for input symbol A. For input symbol A, they both are going to Q21. And the outputs are according to this, 0 is 0, 1 for 1. And now see, now and they both goes to Q31 for output symbol B, input symbol B. So for this is going to Q31 and this is also going to Q31 for input symbol B. Now only one state remains, that is the Q4 state. I have already drawn it, but I have not showed the transitions. So Q4 for A goes to Q30 and for B goes to Q1. So Q4 for A goes to Q30. So here it is going to Q30 for A and it is going to Q1 for B. Okay, so this is our Moore machine. So hope this is okay. So with this our first module is completed. I will soon start my second module lectures, but after this please guys do comment if you are facing any doubt or any type of question. Do comment a question. Okay, I will try to make a separate video and explain it to you. So and do subscribe and share with your friends. So goodbye for today.